Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you a method of checking manufacture date and date of first use of your iPhone. So let's begin the video. First you have to open Settings, then open General G, tap on Software Update and make it sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 17 or higher version so that you can be able to check the manufacture date. After that, go back and scroll down till Battery, Open Battery section. Here you can see two-option Battery Health and Charging Optimization. You have to tap on Battery Health. Now you can see at the end, two dates, one is manufacture date, and second is date of first use of your iPhone. In my case, it is 2023 October as manufacture date, and first use date is February 2024. Now the main point of this video is that this method only works for iPhone 14 and 15 series. So if you have lower series of iPhones, then I will make another video on it. Press the subscribe button for that video, so you will know it by notification. That's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe and like for more.